How to cheat in Honorlock. Can I cheat on Honorlock in 2026? Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to explain how to cheat in Honorlock, and I am going to answer. Can I cheat on Honorlock in 2026? Students always search for the best ways to cheat with Honorlock, and in this video we are going to cover both technical ways to bypass Honorlock browser and some conventional ways to cheat on Honorlock in 2026. We are not just going to talk about it, we are going to show you a step-by-step video proof of the Honorlock being bypassed in 2026. Technical method to cheat in Honorlock. Technical method, as its name refers, involves technical expertise to Honorlock. In this method, custom remote connection servers are installed in students' laptop to bypass Honorlock browser, and these custom servers remain totally undetectable by Honorlock. This method is the most advanced method till 2026. If you need help with any kind of Honorlock exam, just fill out our student help request form to get instant help. Conventional ways to cheat with Honorlock. There are many conventional ways to cheat in an exam, like making tiny notes, using your mobile phone or using a virtual machine, but advanced security measures of Honorlock browser make it very risky to cheat using these conventional ways, as eyes movement away from the screen can flag the exam. So we will not recommend these methods. Let's just answer some most asked questions about Honorlock cheating. Can you cheat with Honorlock? Answer is yes, but with right tools, as Honorlock monitors students' screen. Will Honorlock stop test if you cheat? If you get caught during cheating, then it will stop your exam. Is it easy to cheat on Honorlock? With right tools like technical expert method, yes, it is pretty much easy. Conclusion. Which method is best to cheat with Honorlock in 2026? As we discussed, there are various ways to cheat with Honorlock, but best method is considered one which is safe and secure, and that is technical expert method. The plus point of this method is technical expert manages from doing setup to take exams, and student don't have to worry about anything. Technical method is 100% safe, and best thing about this service is you don't have to make any upfront payment. So if you have any exam coming up and you want any technical expertise, just fill out our student help request form to get instant help. Thanks for watching this video.